Do you like snacks, or even better, quick snacks? If you do, then this video is for you. My name is Mackiah, and today I will be sharing 5 yummy quick snacks to make. I unfortunately left again. I've just been so busy recently, so I apologize, but without further ado, let's get started. The first snack is pretty simple and sweet. A sweet, delicious treat, especially on a winter night, are chocolate chip cookies. When going to the grocery store, make sure to pick out cookie dough. My favorite is Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough, but you could do Toll House or whatever makes you happy. Make sure when making these to use a cookie sheet and or grease the pan so you don't have to literally pry the cookies off of the surface. When you make these delicious chocolatey treats, be aware of the spacing of these cookies. Do not put them too close together or else they will obviously combine into one whole cookie, unless that's what you want. Roll them up into perfect spheres and let them bake at the preheated temperature listed on the packaging. Keep them in the oven for an instructed amount of time, probably about 12 minutes, and enjoy those yummy cookies. Our second quick snack sweet... I don't even know what I just said. Our second quick snack is another ally to chocolatey goodness. It is an Oreo cookie medley. I saw this idea on Auntie Amanda's TikTok page, so all credit to her. Basically, you can go with the flow and do whatever you want with this cookie. You start off with putting whipped cream on top of the cookie and add whatever you want over it. What I usually do is drizzle caramel on it, and it is such an easy treat to just pop into your mouth. The good thing about these cookies is you don't necessarily have to use Oreos, but I think they go together the best. Another good option would be sugar cookies because with the ingredients listed, it'll taste like a cupcake. And who doesn't like cupcakes? Well, I know a few people who don't, but that's besides the point. The third snack is finally one that is somewhat healthy. A pickle wrapped in salami. Never mind, that's not very healthy. But this snack is pretty self-explanatory. Get whatever type of pickle you like. Sweet, sour, kosher, cinnamon, mango, I don't even know. Just do whatever pickle you want and wrap it up with some salami. Coming to the fourth snack, I absolutely love chips. Chips themselves are a super yummy snack, but if you add even more, they are 10 times more delicious. Most people will have their chips in guacamole, salsa, whatever. In this case, we will be using onion dip. I guess you could call it a chip. I don't really know what it is. I guess it's more of a fried thing. I don't know, but some Funyuns. I guess this is sort of a weird combo, but it tastes so good. After eating this delicious snack, you should definitely deep clean your mouth because if you don't, your breath will be smelling funky for days. To end the video off with a bang, I'm sharing finally a healthy snack recipe. Some apples and peanut butter. With my sweet tooth, I would use caramel, but peanut butter is definitely the healthier option over here. Take a delicious crisp apple, cut it into slices, enjoy dipping it in some peanut butter or spreading the peanut butter onto the apple slice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will probably make a healthier snack version too because these are just not the healthiest thing. All credits for the music I use will be put in the description box. Have a fabulous day or night and let me know how you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time I upload.